Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of Didi application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open the Didi app from your app drawer and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you are in the main home page, tap on the menu bar at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on the settings button. Click on sign out on the next page and tap on confirm in the pop-up to sign yourself out of your account. To log in again, you will need to enter your mobile phone number, or if you've previously used your social accounts for signing up for Didi, you can do the same over here to get back to your account again. So that is how you can easily log out of Didi in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.